back on, ready?
Yep. Are you going to slip and slide? You got to go to the end. You got to run and slide. Where's the little, yeah, use the little things. Dan will show you how. You're going to take your skirt off? You gotta run, go really far back, and then run at it.
Just lay right here, and then scoop with your hands. You have to. Come on. Oh, go ahead. You don't have to. You want to do it on the blue side? Go for it. It's not that bad. Oh, man.
I wondered why. I wondered why you went on with a white skirt. Go ahead, go slide on it. No? Okay. Oh yeah, there's lots. If you don't start sliding on it though, we should turn it off because you're going to drown the grass. It's not how you slip and slide. You slip and fell, not slip and slide, but you slip and fell. It's slippery. It's cold, isn't it? It's just a big puddle. If you slide, you won't fall. Just slide. Oh! Take the little things and slide on them. I know, it's really cold, isn't it? Yeah, you done now? In the pool? Wow. Oh! Don't do that again.